When Rama and Lakshmana saw Jatayu injured, Rama told Jatayu, "Le Pakshi," means rise, O bird. Rama helped Jatayu attain moksha, and that's how this town came to be known as Lepakshi. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rahul in Wonderland. My name is Rahul, and today we are on our way to Lepakshi temple. So today I'm not alone. Behind the camera, I will introduce you to my son, Mayuresh. How are you, Mayuresh?
I'm feeling fine.
Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Okay, so this is not his first tour. He has been on the road with me on bike several times. So today's destination is Lepakshi temple. Let's start. I will see you on the road on the bike. Good morning, guys. So today is 7th Feb and the time is 7:03 am. And today's destination is Lepakshi temple. So this is my episode number 3 of season 1, weekend destinations or weekend getaways around Bangalore. So let me see what is the distance. So the distance is around 120 kilometers and it's gonna take us 2 hours, but we're gonna break for like 15-20 minutes for breakfast on the way. So I'm hoping like 2.5 hours we should be in Lepakshi. And yes, please do watch the entire video because you will get to know the entire information, not only the motovlog but entire information about Lepakshi temple, the history, and you get to see the architecture of the Vijayanagara Empire, etc. चलो निकल पड़े लेपाक्षी की तरफ. अपना पेट्रोल भी कल रात को ही मैंने भर दिया था फुल टैंक शेल पेट्रोल बंक से, सो नो टेंशन ऑफ पेट्रोल. वाइज़र बंद कर दिया. और एक चीज़ है, मैंने GoPro की सेटिंग चेंज की है बिकॉज माई एंटायर लास्ट सीरीज मुंबई सीरीज the motor vlog there were a lot of crackling sound, static. I have changed my GoPro settings. There were 2 settings, wind and stereo, wind only, stereo only, so I have changed that to wind only. Earlier it was stereo only, and there was a lot of crackling and static sound in my Mumbai series. So I did some research, I changed my mic, everything possible I did. Finally the last resort was this setting, and there is one dead cat which I have ordered for the mic. तो ये सेटिंग से काम अगर हो जाता है तो अच्छा है. लेट अस सी हाउ इट गोस. सो नाउ वी आर टेकिंग द एलिवेटेड हाईवे ऑन द हैदराबाद हाईवे, द एलिवेटेड रोड टुवर्ड्स एयरपोर्ट. Just now crossed Hepal. Lot of people on the bike and on the cycles. Today is a Sunday, so many people go to Nandi Hills on cycle or towards airport because that's a beautiful road. I too love to ride on this road. This is a beautiful road. So now cruising at 80, maintaining 80. We will first cross Yelahanka, then we will cross the airport, then we will reach Nandi Hills, turn. Most probably by the time we reach the Nandi Hills turn, we will have our breakfast. The BSF training center, Bangalore. And now I'll show you the place where Aero India 2021 took place. So this is the place, guys. You can see this blue color gate. Still there are a lot of aircrafts which the trucks are taking out once it's over. So this is the gate, the main gate, I think, Aero India 2021. Great exhibition. Tejas. This is the Air Force Station Yelahanka. I cannot show you much because I'm not supposed to show much information about the defense structures. It's so freaking cold that I have to wear my gloves, otherwise I cannot ride. This is the Mysore KSRTC bus, guys. This bus runs from BIAL, Bangalore International Airport, to Mysuru. So in case if you are I mean, I have seen many people planning for Mysore, Ooty and all, and they come to Bangalore first, but unfortunately they don't know. Then what they do is they spend money in the cabs and all. I mean, those who want, they can book, no problem for that, but those who like to travel by bus and all, public transport, I just wanted to let them know that there is a service directly from Bangalore International Airport to Mysore. So they can take a bus, they can go to Mysore, they can stay there, then they can enjoy Mysore sightseeing, then they can go to Ooty from there. So this is the beautiful toll. और एक टोल आएगा आगे towards Hyderabad. This is diversion now. Those who want to go to the airport, they have to go by that road left, and those who want to go to Nandi Hills, Hyderabad and all those places, they have to go straight Devanalli Hyderabad airport. So airport का रोड ऐसे होके वो उधर से फ्लाईओवर दिख रहा है, वो ऐसे जाता है. एयरपोर्ट इज देयर समवेयर. The gold straight Nandi Hills, Devanalli, right? We will have breakfast here, because after this I don't know the hotels on the highway. There's a complete highway. Here there are a lot of cafes actually. Night Out Cafe, then there is like this NH7 fuel, refuel something. Then there is this IPC, Indian Paratha Company, which I always come, which is very nice. I'll show you. This is on the left side. And that there's a beautiful temple there. It looks like a Jain temple. See that one rock standing. Okay, so this is NH7 refuel. This is a very famous hangout place, and this is the Indian Paratha Company. Then there are a lot of other places like Galaxy and all. I think we will stop by here. Okay, so हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट आ गया है. This is the idli vada. Okay, so we just had our breakfast in this Galaxy restaurant, which is just before the left turn to Nandi Hills. The time is 8:20 AM and we have covered I think around 85 kilometers to go. So total like 120. So we have covered like 40 odd kilometers till here. So another 80 kilometers to go. हम लोग आराम से जा रहे हैं, अपने को कोई घाई नहीं है ना मयूरेश? So how are you feeling?
Fine, very nice after eating the breakfast.
Okay, so are you excited to go to Lipakshi?
Yes.
So by the way, do watch this entire video, because you are gonna get a lot of information about Lipakshi and the history of Lipakshi, the wonderful architecture of the Vijayanagara Empire. So please watch this video till the end. I'm also trying to make a cinematic video, a different video, and try to give a voiceover with a lot of information about Lipakshi. So that will be in 4K. So do watch this video till the end. We will see you on the road. Okay, so breakfast हो चुका है. Time is 8:30. We took a very long break actually, half an hour break, but that's fine. अपने को क्या जल्दी नहीं है. And now this left turn will come, which will go towards Nandi Hills. तो अपने को इस बार लेफ्ट नहीं लेना है, अपने को सीधा जाना है. So many people come to Nandi Hills. It's like if you see the parking from top, it will be like a sea of bikes and cars, man. Really. See, this is the left turn to Nandi Hills, and the straight road is Hyderabad, Lipakshi, Avala Betta, all those places. But this is one famous hotel, Andi Upchar, but there is a lot of crowd here, so we don't want crowd. So many places have come actually. Hot Pot Express, Hotel Andhra Deluxe, UP Punjabi Dhaba. A lot of hotels have come here, a lot. That is Nandi Hills. That is the Nandi Hills. Today it's very clear. Usually there are a lot of clouds, but today it's very clear. That's Nandi Hills, guys. Okay, so this is the left we need to take in order to go to Lipakshi. So 16 kilometers, the last 16 kilometers will be inside. And this is the gate. You can see the Jatayu eagle, the vulture statue. There's some traffic here. This is the main gate, Arch Lipakshi. Okay, 16 kilometers inside. State highway, maybe a small road, single lane highway. So आराम से जाएंगे अभी लास्ट के 16 किलोमीटर्स. ओके 16 किलोमीटर्स लिपाक्षी, हिंदूपुरम 29 सिरा. ओह यहाँ से भी सिरा है 115. कनेक्ट्स टू NH4 आई थिंक फ्रॉम हियर. रोड इज ब्यूटीफुल यार. सो आई थिंक वी आर ऑलरेडी इन आंध्र प्रदेश. वो जो चेक पोस्ट था वहाँ पे बॉर्डर होगा. कहीं बोर्ड नहीं था. But Lipakshi is in Andhra Pradesh, so I assume we are already in Andhra Pradesh. We have crossed Karnataka. Just 3 kilometers away from Lipakshi. My God, see that. स्टैचू ऑफ जटायु. जटायु की बात किया और जटायु का स्टैचू दिख गया. जस्ट 3 minutes अवे फ्रॉम लिपाक्षी गाइस. सी दैट. यहाँ से फोटोग्राफी करेंगे आते समय. Okay, so we have reached the Lipakshi temple now. We have parked our bike, and one auntie of a shop, she helped us to keep our jackets and shoes and all that stuff, because I could not find any place to keep here. So this is the Lipakshi temple which you see behind me. We will go inside the temple and we'll try to see if we get a guide, and we'll show you around the temple. I think there are around 10 to 11 different places inside the temple which are of historical importance. So let's go in and let's explore the Lipakshi temple. So as soon as you enter the temple, you can either go left or right. It's your choice. We could not find a guide here, so we took a left. Now we are trying to explore what is there here. So these are some of the inscriptions which I can see on the wall, and they have put a barricade here so that no one should go and touch and destroy that. So a lot of inscriptions on the wall. Let's try to take a closer view. This is a wide angle lens, so I'm just trying to take closer view. See, there are a lot of inscriptions here on the wall. The entire wall is filled with inscriptions. This entire temple is actually built on a rock, and this rock is in the shape of a tortoise. I wish I had a drone, I would have shown you, but yeah, that's what I have read, that it's the shape of a tortoise, and this This entire temple is built on that rock. So I'm at this first point here inside the Lipakshi temple. This is the Naga Lingeshwara. So this is a 7-headed serpent which is carved out of a single stone, and it has coiled 3 times around that Shivlinga. So there is a story behind this. It is known that some sculptors went for lunch, and their mother told that it's still some time for lunch, so they came and they carved out this thing out of a single stone. So this is another historical place inside Lipakshi temple. This is known as the Kalyana Mandapa. So you can see this is a place where weddings used to be organized, and these all are the gods and the Rishi Munis who came to attend the wedding. So that was a concept that weddings used to be organized here, and these are all the gods who are attending the marriage. Some of the pillars are not good, but they are still preserved. So just next to that Nagalinga, after Nagalinga, so this is the rock. On the other side there is Nagalinga, and this side is the Kalyan Mandapa, and there is here where you will find this Ganesha statue, which is carved out of a single rock. I don't know whether you can see. So we have covered 3 points till now: Nagalingeshwara, Ganesha, and the Kalyana Mandapa. Let's go and explore the rest. Okay, so I am inside the Veerabhadra temple right now, where the famous hanging pillar is, and this is the Veerabhadra temple. These are the various pillars. Out of that there is a main pillar, which is the hanging pillar. So you can see that pillar is a little bit ½ inch above ground. And you can see there are mural paintings on the top. A lot of beautiful paintings. You can see those people there, like putting a towel. See, you can see the people putting the towel there, and that's the evidence that pillar is a hanging pillar. Okay, so we'll go down now. So we are at the last point, I would say, in the Lipakshi temple. This is the, I don't know whether you can see. These are the blood stains of Virupanna. So I'll tell you who was Virupanna. So this Virupanna, he was a treasurer in the Achyutaraya Vijayanagara Empire. Once he was falsely charged with something, and Achyutaraya ordered that his eyes should be removed. He was very sad, and what he did was he was very honest and loyal to the king. So what he did was he removed his own eyes. So while he was removing his eyes, the blood splashed on the wall, and so those blood stains which you saw are the evidence of that particular incident. So I think we have covered everything now, Gannu, right?
Yeah.
We covered the Naga Lingeshwara, we covered the Ganesha idol carved out of the single stone. Then we went to the Kalyana Mandapa where the weddings were to be were organized. Then we visited the Veerabhadra temple. We saw that hanging pillar. और क्या देखा हम लोगों ने? और ये देखा हम लोगों ने blood stains, right? Oh, very nice, calm place. This usually this place now, especially, I think this was meant for people who were all then pilgrimage to come here and take rest or something. Nice. So I think by now we have covered the majority of the points in the Lipakshi temple, at least the points which we know about. There is one point which is the Jatayu statue, which we will go now. That's a little bit further when we go towards the exit towards Bangalore. So now we will go down to the parking, pick up our jacket, shoes, wear our gear, and we will take our bike to the Jatayu place. We will click some photos and videos there, and then we will head back to Bangalore. On the way we will have our lunch.
Yes.
So how was your experience, Ganu?
Beautiful.
What is the most significant thing about this Lipakshi temple which you liked?
The hanging pillar and the Naga Lingeshwara.
Yeah, the Naga Lingeshwara is really awesome because it was carved out of a single stone, and that too in a short time. When the sculptures, they went for lunch, their mother told that it will take some more time, and they utilized that time to carve out that 7-headed serpent with 3 coils over the linga. And when she came out, she was like surprised. What? In such a short time they carved out such a beautiful structure. So that's really incredible in those times. Those kind of skills, to have those kind of skills is really incredible. Okay, so we will see you at the Jatayu place. As soon as you enter Lipakshi, you will see on the left side the huge statue of Jatayu on the rock. Take a left turn here. You have to pay 10 rupees, and you will have to pay 10 rupees, and then you can go to the Jatayu theme park here. So I'll tell you the history behind this Jatayu in Lipakshi. When Ravana abducted Sita and he was carrying Sita over to Lanka, this Jatayu, this vulture, he fought with Ravana with all his strength, and in that process he got injured and he fell down. When Rama and Lakshmana saw Jatayu injured, Rama told Jatayu, "Le Pakshi," means rise, O bird. Rama helped Jatayu attain moksha, and that's how this town came to be known as Lepakshi. So that's the statue. Okay, so Lepakshi temple exploration is complete. We also visited the Jatayu theme park. I mean the Jatayu statue, we saw that. We took some photos with the bike as well. Now the time is 12:35 and temperature is little hot, 20, 30, 35, 36. It's very hot actually. So now we have to go 120 kilometers towards Bangalore. On the way, maybe after like Nandi Hills, we're gonna stop by for lunch. Let's rock and roll.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
So we just now had our lunch in this Sri Krishna Nanda Gokula Veg restaurant. You can see the location, man. Left side Nanda Hills. There's a hill with a temple there. So now the time is like 2:50. Another 30 minutes we'll be in our home. So we would like to thank you very much for your time, for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Rahul in Wonderland. Take care, be safe, and keep smiling.